Hello, everyone. My name is Kathleen Weiss. Welcome to today's professional development session on integrating social studies and the arts through questioning strategies. Today, we'll be exploring how to engage students in higher order thinking skills while also discussing the causes of the American Revolution. Let's start with an overview of what we'll cover today. We'll begin by understanding the importance of higher order thinking skills and understanding the causes of the American Revolution. Then, we'll dive into questioning strategies of different depth of knowledge DOK levels, ranging from recall to extended thinking. Finally, we'll explore assessment strategies and digital tools to support student learning. Before we delve into questioning strategies, let's familiarize ourselves with the depth of knowledge DOK framework. This framework categorizes the complexity of cognitive tasks, ranging from the simple recall to extended thinking. Understanding these levels is crucial for designing questions that not only assess students' knowledge, but also engage them in higher order thinking. At DOK Level 1, students recall facts and basic concepts. For example, they might answer questions like, what were the main causes of the American Revolution? Moving to DOK Level 2, students apply skills and concepts to interpret information. Questions might ask students to compare and contrast different perspectives on the revolution. At DOK Level 3, students engage in strategic thinking, analyzing information and making connections. For instance, they might evaluate the effectiveness of different strategies used during the revolution. Finally, at DOK Level 4, students engage in extended thinking, synthesizing information and proposing innovative solutions. They might create multimedia presentations exploring the global impact of the revolution. Now let's explore questioning strategies at each DOK level, starting with recall. Recall level questions prompt students to remember facts and basic concepts. For example, who were the main parties involved in the American Revolution? What year did the American Revolution begin? Name three causes of the American Revolution. What was the significance of the Declaration of Independence? And describe the Boston Tea Party. Moving on to DOK Level 2, we have skills and concepts level questions. These questions require students to apply their knowledge in familiar contexts. For instance, compare and contrast the roles of the patriots and loyalists. Explain how the French and Indian War contributed to the American Revolution. Interpret the phrase, no taxation without representation. Illustrate the sequence of events that led to the Boston Tea Party. And describe the impact of the intolerable acts on colonial unity. At DOK Level 3, we have strategic thinking level questions. These questions challenge students to analyze information and make connections. For example, develop a strategic plan for the Continental Army to overcome challenges faced during the Revolution. Evaluate the impacts of international alliances on the outcome of the American Revolution. Analyze the long-term economic consequences of the American Revolution on both the colonies and Britain. Justify the significance of specific documents such as the Treaty of Paris in shaping post-revolutionary America. And lastly, propose alternative scenarios for key events in the revolution and predict their potential outcomes. Finally, at DOK Level 4, we have extended thinking level questions. These questions require students to synthesize information and propose innovative solutions. For example, questions could be, design a presentation exploring the global impact of the American Revolution on subsequent independence movement. Investigate the role of marginalized groups such as women and enslaved individuals in the American Revolution and propose ways to amplify their voices in historical narratives. Use multiple sources to analyze the ideological underpinnings of the American Revolution and the relevance to current political debates. Debate the ethical implications of historical monuments and commemorations related to the American Revolution. Create a research proposal to investigate unresolved questions or controversies surrounding specific events or figures of the American Revolution. Now that we have explored questioning strategies, let's discuss assessment strategies to measure student learning. For formative assessment, we can use strategies like think, pair, share. This allows students to reflect on questions related to the revolution, discuss their responses with a partner, and share their ideas with the class. A question example for think, pair, share would be, What were the economic factors that contributed to tensions between the American colonists and Britain before the Revolution? For summative assessment, project-based assessments are effective. Students can create multimedia presentations exploring the causes of the American Revolution, demonstrating their comprehensive understanding and application of knowledge. A question example could be, how did economic, political, and social factors contribute to the outbreak of the American Revolution? To support higher order questioning, we can leverage digital tools like Padlet and Flipgrid. Padlet allows students to collaborate on brainstorming and sharing ideas, while Flipgrid enables them to record video responses and engage in discussions. By incorporating these digital tools into instruction, we can enhance student engagement, promote critical thinking, and address the diverse learning styles of all students, ensuring that all students have the opportunity to engage actively with higher order questioning. This is our reference page. In conclusion, integrating social studies and the arts through questioning strategies is essential for engaging students in higher order thinking skills. By using questioning strategies at different DOK levels, implementing assessment strategies, and leveraging digital tools, we can create dynamic and interactive learning experiences that deepen student understanding of the causes of the American Revolution. Thank you for joining today's professional development session.